It's very difficult to me.
Rear wheel assembly. Turn stroller on its side. There it is.
I'm going to press in. It's in.
Okay. Good. Back. So the handlebar is down on the ground and the front fork is up. Align the fender tabs with the holes in the front, so the fender is next. That's the fender with the holes in the front frame. Insert the included screws into the hole and tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. Repeat for the other 3 holes. Far enough to allow the axle to slide into the front fork. Align the tab washer's tab into the small hole on the outside of the front fork. There's a small hole right there.